So the open house was pretty much a chance for people to get a look behind what we do and how we operate during build season. We had robot demos of our 3 functioning robots right now, our competition robot, the West Coast product robot, and our kitbot Steve. And we also had workshop tours to just let people see our workshop and how it works, what we do. And we also got to present our impact presentation, which pretty much showed people how we're giving back, like what we want to do for our community. I would happily do it again. I really liked seeing people have some kind of curiosity about our robot and how it moves, because I've been there. I've been the one watching and not on the other side of the field. So I know what those people feel like, and I would happily do that again just to kind of grow that curiosity of our robot.